Hello guys, my name is Pravi Adona. Welcome to this channel. So in this video I can show you one website where we can create a very high quality Dofollow backlink. So the website name is trader.com. Basically this is a website related for the travel industry. So if you are particularly working on travel industry, so must you guys have to create a profile on that website. So okay, so before that we can research something. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 73, and according to Moj, the domain authority is 60 and the spam score is only 2%. And according to SimilarWeb, this website having 2.5 million total visitors and the mostly traffic from USA, Australia, Canada, UK and the Germany. So this website having that kind of country traffic. And now we can start. So simply you can see this is a website dashboard, and you can see top of the right corner there is a sign up button. You can click over there. And after that there is a two options you can choose according to your convenient, traveler or the guide. Then after that you can choose for the which industry, for the which location you are working. So basically there are the locations are listing, and after that you guys can choose your name. So there you guys can choose your company name or the brand name. And after that there you guys can add your email ID. Then you guys can choose your password. Then you guys can click for the sign up button. And after that this website can send you a verification email. So you guys have to click for the send a verification email. Then you guys can go with your Gmail account. There you guys have to wait around 10 to 15 seconds. Then this website can send you a verification email. Okay, so we received a verification email. So now you can click for the confirm email address. And after that you can see there is a edit profile button. You can click over there. There you guys can upload your brand image. There you guys can already added your full name. If you want, then you guys can also customize with your targeted keyword. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable Dofollow link. So you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. So suppose that best video interviewing software Jobma. Okay, and after that you can select your targeted country, for the which country you operating your business, for the which country you are operating your business. And there is UK, USA, yeah. And then after that you can select your city. And you guys have to add your language. And if you have a particular hour, so you guys can select your tour or the any other things. So best I'm trying to add my keywords over there, but I think not possible. And the about me section, there you guys can add about your company, short description. And in this section you guys can use your social media username. Okay, so for my case in the Instagram, this is added. For the Facebook, So we have added all the details, and if anything are important for you, so you can customize according to your business, and after that you can click for the save changes, and there is option to you can click for the my profile, and you can see this is your profile landing page URL, and this is your targeted keywords, your brand name, and the short description, and these are your social accounts. So you can see, so simply you can drive traffic from there to your social accounts, social handles, and also you guys are improving your brand name, brand information. Okay, so this is a process for the backlink creation on that website, and also if this website can provide another features, another benefit, so you guys have to explore this website features and the another dashboards. Okay, so if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, are you friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project, suggestion or whatever, and also I'm from living in Delhi and Gurgaon, so if anyone are near about these places, so we can connect to each other for the increasing the knowledge and whatever kind of things. And for the last, if you guys are new on this channel, or if you guys are haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request to you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay yaar, bye bye and take care.